Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you one more practical with mathematical operation simply, right? And for that we are going to write a code for BMI calculator. BMI simply stand for body mass calculator. Okay, and the formula for body mass calculator is weight divided by height square. Okay, so this is the simple formula. So let me have input first of all, weight and height from the user. So here I will have weight first of all. For that we can write input function, enter weight. Next we will get the input height from the user. So height equal to input, enter height. Okay, and then after if I want to calculate the BMI equal to weight divided by height and double asterisk sign and 2, right? So this is simply a kind of power. Okay, so we need a height multiply two times, right? We want to square of the height, so we use this asterisk sign and it will simply have the height two times. Okay, so let's print the output and let's check what we are getting here. So BMI equal to BMI. If I run this code, you can see we will have the height it is asking for example height if I type 80 and weight I type 80 and height we type 1.75 meter suppose, and if I type the enter, you can see we are getting the error like it is simply unsupported operation. We are having the power on string type of data. So here on line number 12 we are getting the error. As we know, input function always returns string, and with the string type of data we cannot have the this kind of mathematical operation, so we need to convert, right? And height especially we have the input in fractional value, right? So floating point value, so we will convert the height into float type of data. So this is how I will convert the height into float, and weight is usually okay with the integer type of data, so I will convert weight into integer. Okay, so this is how we will get the BMI, and if I run this code and check the output again, 1.75 as a height, again we are getting error, but this time the error is on the line number 14. So here we have the error, BMI is kind of floating type of data, and we need in str, okay, string, we need to convert into string type of data, then only we can print with the print function. So if I convert into string and run the program again, I type the weight 80 and height 1.75, you can see we are getting the BMI 26.12244, but I want BMI in integer, so it will become easier to understand for the user. So we can convert this BMI into integer. So BMI as int, I will convert int. Okay, I will convert the BMI into integer, and finally we will print BMI as int with the print function. So if I run this code, you can see we type 80 as a weight, and height I will type 1.75, and here is the output, BMI equal to 26, that is integer. So guys, I hope you understand this mathematical operation related program in Python. So with this we are ending up this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video with your friends as well. We will back with some new coding. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.